We've made it to the bottom of the hike. 5 of us today, so a bit of a merry gang. Same mountain, but we are hiking the backside of it. A little bit of a shorter walk than the last one we did. Bit of a longer drive though. Unbelievable views already.
I do just tend to be on the way with my meal. In the dark.
Hey, route not as clear as previous hike, but finding our way just about.
You think?
Possibly. Yes, action man. That's a good boyfriend right there. That's how you do it, guys. Instead of helping you, I'm going to film. Right, you smashed it.
Around, eh?
Double vlog. How are we feeling?
Feeling like a muff.
That's the hiking group name we decided, because we've got muffins with us, so it's the Mountain Muffs. Or the Movie Muff. The Mountain Muffers.
We've come so far. Oh shit. Yeah. Get up the top maybe.
Checkpoint.
Oh, what are we going up there? You ever had reflexology? It's basically they rub your toes and it corresponds to a certain part of your body.
I've heard about this, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I've heard that walking barefoot is so good for you.
Yeah. And like my nan used to do it when I was younger. She'd be rubbing my feet, like a certain part of my foot. And she'd say, oh, have you got earache? And I would like genuinely have earache.
That's some sick wisdom, Matt.
Yeah, some voodoo shit that.
Voodoo shit. How the girls doing?
We're getting there.
Looking strong, Alex. How you feeling?
Good.
Feeling fucking strong. Sunshine, about 500 metres to go. How are we feeling, brother?
I'm feeling very positive.
Right. Feeling positive.
Yeah.
Robbie doing the double backpack.
Double backpack.
Good boyfriend move.
That was actually a bit tricky, the double backpack.
Yeah, that, oh shit.
But now we come across a different challenge.
New challenge.
And that is not getting eaten by a snake.
Killing it. Cracked some sunshine now. Through the main jungle bit. Beautiful. Starting to get some views.
No, we should install a zip line.
A zip line on the way down. Yeah, go on then. There's one at the top. It's next to the restaurant.
Yeah, it's a 30-minute ride.
Yeah, we packed lunch there. This is a school trip. Lauren, you're definitely the TA. You're the TA. I keep doing that when I'm filming.
Oh yes. Beautiful.
Alex on the two bag game now.
2 bag wine.
It's killing it. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, another one. Half year.
Nearly at the summit. Been a bit of a different walk from last week. Path's much more chill. Quite a lot of elevation. Again, same amount. It's been much clearer and drier. Last week we had the mist. It's been nice and clear. Look at that. What a place. For free. Come and enjoy this. We're the only ones on this mountain. You can come and enjoy nature. You can come and enjoy this whenever you want. Look at this.
We're so close. Tom, you at the top.
Yes. Yes, guys. Bit of bush, but this is it.
This is like Bear
This is
Grylls shit.
Banksy.
Woo! Ow. Pain. Ow.
Just push through. Sweet.
Pain. Pain.
Bro, looking good. Whee! Miss.
The ankles.
Fucking
Get a
sick.
new one when I get back.
This is sick.
Yeah, man. How you feeling, coach?
Funny anymore. It's silly now, isn't it?
You're good. You're good. Literally nearly there. Smashing it.
Ow.
We're earning this last bit.
Fuck. Is this definitely part of the hike?
Yeah.
Every part of me wanted to give up and cry then. Really.
Last few meters. Looking good. Above the clouds.
Oh yeah.
Morale's high.
Oh yeah.
It's been a good walk. We've got some food coming. Beautiful. Enjoy it.
Oh
Killed it, guys. A little bit more. Oh yeah. Smashing it.
Yes, yes.
Look at that. That's actually incredible, eh?
That's insane, man. As if someone... That's the very, very top.
That's the very top. Smashed it.
Oh, I'm looking forward to a ham sarnie now. Oh yeah, this is sweet.
Summited.
Love it.
Scent.
Yeah. That was crazy. That was insane.
Oh, that's sick.
That was insane. Thank you so much.
Yeah, boy.
The berries are a lot.
Lumi.
Floating about.
Nicely done. We are well fed. Robbie packed some unbelievable sandwiches, one for everyone. Now making our way back down. It's quite tricky, to be fair. But we got sticks, so things are good.
Sticks are a lifesaver.
Sticks are a lifesaver. Yeah, mate, they're not safe places.
Just as you said.
Yeah.
A little bit cautious.
Strugs.
I just rolled my ankle.
You're right.
I am 33.
You old man.
Oh my days.
That's it. This is where you end up.
This is
See
me.
ya.
This is him. See you, man.
I'm just, yeah.
Nice.
Let my net me first.
The bodies on Everest that you have to walk by.
Yeah, that's going to be you as well.
Me. Just preserved like this.
I low-key know where I am on the hiking. We just encountered our first humans.
First humans of the
human
day.
interaction of the day. Right?
They've got a long walk ahead of them.
Yeah, they're going to be walking back in the...
We've got about, I think maybe like 30 more minutes. A chill 30 minutes. It's calmed right down. It's beautiful. Lauren's got a splinter, but she's surviving.
Splinter, and I've got a cut on my knee.
Knee cut and splinter, but surviving.
Just about.
Just about. Nearly there. Been a good walk. Alex, how you doing, brother?
Good, man.
Doing good?
Good, man. Yeah, dude. Tweezle seeds. Yeah, I don't think we'll get that.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Might get a new helmet.
That was well dodgy, wasn't it?
What a spot. Looking at the mountain we just climbed. Yeah. Right, we got mad with snacks.
Imagine they give
What
us
we
like
got?
weed chocolate right now. I don't know.
So,
Good.
is it good?
Yeah, it's yum.
What have I got here?
I'd love it if I
Oh,
could
there's
open
the
it.
green part I haven't tried yet.
Is it all
This green gel.
Oh, it could be matcha.
Is it?
Yeah, probably. That's quite big out here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Still good.
Is it good?
Sweet, huh?
Mmm.
Yummy.
Something.
Oh, yeah. I can work with that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very odd. Just the popcorn.